Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am back with another purchase or pass for the month of August. We're just going to go through trend mood, talk about some new releases, what's going to go on the wish list or what's not. And before you guys ask if you're thinking your eyes are deceiving you, I am wearing two different colored contacts, one blue, one brown. It's for an Instagram inspired look and I wanted to wear it for today's video. So here we are, your eyes are not playing you. But with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into some new releases. Alright, let's go ahead and pull up a trend mood. When I was looking through trend mood, honestly there wasn't that many things that caught my eye. We have about 7 things here that I'm going to talk about today, and the first 2 products are from Too Faced. So the first one is their holiday collection. This is the cinnamon swirl collection. It just comes with an eyeshadow palette and then the melted matte liquid lipstick. Honestly, color story I feel like it kind of reminds me of one of like the Disney palettes from ColourPop. The color story is nice. I think it's really pretty, but it's nothing really outstanding. It's just recently Too Faced as a whole, as a brand, has been speaking to me a lot more. I really do want to try their melted matte liquid lipsticks. Like, what do you guys think of them? Are they drying? Because I don't really like liquid lipsticks, but if they're comfortable on the lips, like I'm wearing one today. I'm wearing this one, the Mulan one from ColourPop, if you're wondering. This one's really comfortable, so I don't mind that. But yeah, this one is cute. I mean, all of their collections are cute, but I don't think it's something that I would purchase. It's $49 for the palette. But the next thing from Too Faced, this was like, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to talk about it with you guys. Too Faced is releasing a perfume. This is their Better Than Sex perfume. And here's the thing, okay, the bottle, I can't even. Like, this is the most beautiful perfume bottle I have ever seen. I think Too Faced just kills it with their packaging. In the notes, it seems like it's like a really fruity, fresh type of perfume. It has passion fruit, lychee, peach, citrus florals, jasmine, rose. So if it does smell good, then I definitely would purchase this. Don't you think it's just so perfect with my mirror? Like this is my vibe. Oh, I love it. It's $105 for 3.4 ounces. Is 3.4 ounces 100 mils? Because we count things in mils in New Zealand. We don't count things in ounces. This would be a really nice option because when it comes to perfume, not many brands are cruelty free. Like the perfume that I currently use is from Jo Malone, who is not cruelty free. So it would be nice to find like a new signature scent that I love from a cruelty free brand. And this one definitely looks really, really good. So. And the next release comes from Beauty Blender. They came out with their Bounce Liquid Whipped Cream blushes, and honestly, these do look pretty good. I don't know if it's just like I'm biased to blushes right now. Like any blush release I will see, I will want, because blushes are just so good. And these shades are really pretty. I have my eye on the peachy one and then the rosy one. These are just up my alley. I think they look really good, honestly. Have you guys tried these? What do you guys think? I would love to know. I haven't tried anything else from Beauty Blender other than the actual Beauty Blender. Like I haven't tried their foundation. Do they have other products? I don't know. I feel like they do, but this looks good. And I love applying cream blushes or with a sponge. So I feel like this is really fitting of a product to come out from Beauty Blender, and I'm really curious. It is $22, so in the medium range for me because I gotta think it's in USD. So typically in my purchase or pass videos, I don't talk about ColourPop releases just because they do have a lot of releases and I probably will end up reviewing a lot of those releases, so I tend to avoid that in my purchase or pass videos. But they actually came out with these like mystery boxes, and I don't think for me personally I would get these because I do have a very large ColourPop collection. I don't think anything in these would add into my collection, but I think it's really interesting. Like I'm intrigued. Like I wonder what's in here, because the value is like really, really good. So if you guys have gotten a mystery box, let me know what was inside your box. So they have 3 different levels. So the cheapest one is $29, but it has a $61 value. And then the medium one is $49 and it has a $102 value. And then the last one is $89 and it has a $200 value, which is like pretty good, but it depends what's inside. Like I'm really curious to know. I should probably search on YouTube and see if anybody's done an unboxing on these mystery boxes. That would be really fun to watch. So we do have a release from ouai, which is a hair care brand, but they're releasing candles. I feel like ouai is just coming out with everything. I think they have like shampoos for dogs, but they are coming out with these candles. I know this is not like makeup related, but the aesthetic, I'm a sucker for aesthetics, guys. I really am. It's just so simple, the colors, and you know, it's just beautiful. It is really expensive. It's $44 for a candle. Ooh, wow, okay. Actually, I would have to smell this first because I have a very sensitive scent. A lot of like stronger scents I feel like is overpowering for me, and especially for Harry as well. We're both quite sensitive. But it says that it has apple blossom and raspberry. That smells good. It has lychee in there as well. It's like on my wish list. A wish list is a wish list. It's what I wish I could have. Doesn't mean I'm gonna buy it, but it's going on the wish list because yeah, the aesthetic is just, it's just there. It really is. I know. Why would you buy a $44 candle for the aesthetic? I didn't say I was gonna buy it. I just said it was going on the wish list. And next up we have a release from Anastasia. They came out with concealers. This is their Magic Touch concealer. It's $29 US. There's 25 shades, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. Let me know if you guys have heard any good things about these concealers. Honestly, I did not even know they came out with concealers until I saw this post on Trendmood. I haven't really tried much from Anastasia. Like, I obviously have tried their brow wiz. I've tried some of their highlighters that were collabs and their eyeshadow palettes, but I haven't tried any base products. Do they have a foundation? Do they have concealer? I don't really know what they have. So let me know what you guys think if you love this, because it says that it's a creamy formula, corrects, brightens, blurs, and conceals, leaving a natural soft focus finish. That sounds amazing. And I feel like concealer is something that I'm curious to try more of, just because I have my Too Faced Born This Way concealer that is my tried and true, and I want to see what else is there that can, you know, sort of compete with my Too Faced one, because honestly every other concealer I have used does not even compare to my Too Faced one. It does not. So let me know what you guys think of this concealer. If you guys have tried it, are you guys gonna purchase it? Let me know, because I do want to know. And then the last final release we're going to talk about today is from Urban Decay. They are coming out with another naked palette. This is the Naked Cyber palette. Okay, $49, 12 shades of vegan, cruelty-free. It's coming in September, so it's not out currently. First off, the packaging. The packaging I feel like is very unique, innovative. I love that. The shades. The shades are questionable. Trendmood did some swatches of the metallics, which are beautiful. They are duochrome. They have a lot of glitters in there, kind of reminiscent of their Moon Dust eyeshadows, which by the way have gotten a makeover. The packaging is different now, which is questionable. I do like the old packaging better. But the swatches look really pretty. I don't know if it's a palette that I would love, because when I look at the palette, like the first like 6 shades are so light, and there's what, like only 3 mattes in here? Oh no, 4 mattes. And then 3 out of those 4 mattes are extremely light, and that would probably blend into my skin. But then when I look at this photo, like not the actual campaign shot, it looks a little bit deeper. So I'm not really sure if this is something that I would pick up and if it would fit like my style of makeup and the colors I like to use, but I do think it's really pretty. And if I were to buy a naked palette, I would probably purchase the honey or the cherry. Is it called cherry or is it violet, or is that the same thing, or is it 2 different palettes? But yeah, I probably would buy a different naked palette over this one, but I don't know. I want to see looks from other creators. I want to see reviews. But I mean, the packaging is really pretty. I feel like they did a really great job with that. But I think it's always nice to see another naked palette. I love how Urban Decay still has the naked palette line going. I like that. I really do like that. Alright, you guys, so those were all of the recent launches that I wanted to talk about today. I know it wasn't that many, but I always do want to talk about releases that spark interest to me. And if there's anything that you think that I would like or you want to hear my thoughts on, please let me know down below, or you can always tag me on Instagram if you see anything that you want me to talk about in these videos. But for the most part, these are the products that really stood out to me and I just wanted to talk about. Do keep in mind I am cruelty free, so there's a lot on Trendmood that like I don't really want to talk about just because I can't even purchase it anyway. But let me know your thoughts down below, and if you guys did enjoy this video, if you could give it a thumbs up for me, I would appreciate it so much. And with that being said, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.